Hey guys, what is up guys? It's 1B here. So in today's video, this is going to be the follow-up to the last video with when I installed Arch. So here you can see that I have the necessary applications you need to get it all up and running. So yeah, let's go with that. Don't mind that I have the camera on. I think I kind of, I don't know. But that's not what the video is about, so let's start our VM. As you can see, so let's just start our VM. I think we should put this here so we can put, oh my god, the video.txt, put my video.txt here, and then just wait till it boots. And we can wait till it boots, so maybe I might pause maybe I might pause, might pause the video. So here is your Arch. If you haven't injected a CD already, you might still see the screen. So if you haven't injected the CD or you're too lazy to do it, just put boot existing OS and click ArchLinux. Messy grub. Alright, let's go ahead and see. Alright, we just need to wait for a bit. I'm gonna pause the video here so it doesn't really take that long. So yeah. By the way, I'm gonna pause this video, pause the video every Pac-Man installation because I really think that's pretty useless. So, root, let's go there. Alright, you can see that we're in here. So, one of the most core applications you need is this. You need NeoFetch, guys. Imagine using ArchLinux without NeoFetch. Oh my god. Imagine. You need it. You need NeoFetch. Like, okay. Now we can check that. Now we can check our system. Now you can use the popular flexing app. Wow. Perfect. Perfect output there. Alright, so next thing in the text. Okay, why is this doing here? Next thing in the text here, so let's just open that up. Next thing in the text you want to do is to add a normal user. You wouldn't just want to be doing that, so let's just put sudo user add dash m dash capital G wheel one. Let's just add that. Okay, good. Now we can just add our password. Oh yeah, like everyone put password incorrectly, so we're gonna do that again. Okay, password is updated successfully. Now we're going to be installing Yay. This is like a helper to get packages from the AUR, and it's basically a repository where you can send it, where you can put packages there. So you want to update Pac-Man, probably. That's why. So let's just update our package databases and then just do pacman-sa. Well, that's abominable. I'll do a different video. I don't have enough time to actually do it. I need to get to install to get Yay, so we're gonna do that for another video, for the third video. So so now we need to be a suitor. And that's pretty easy. All you need to do is just go to vim sudo. I think is that. Okay, here we are. We're in sudoers, so that's what we want to where we want to be. So let's just get into our insert mode and find where we need to get sudo. So locale settings and comment, go down until you find uncomment to allow members of group wheel. If you're a member of the group wheel, uncomment the bottom and then just do that. Now you just want to go to oh, all right, we want to keep that good. Now that we got into sudo aspire, we can just X out of it. Oh. Okay, so just do WQ All right, now that we've done that, we can now install our desktop mat, our new GUI. I'm gonna be going with KDE Plasma, so let's do that. Sudo pacman-s plasma mega. I'll be cutting the video since this one's quite long, so I will pause the video.
¿Estás haciendo un video lloriqueando? Eso, ¿estás haciendo un video lloriqueando?
No. Eso se tarda, pero lo voy a cortar del video.
¿Eso sé qué? ¿Pero qué se tarda eso?
Sí, el proceso que está haciendo, pero lo voy a cortar del
O sea, tú
video.
dejas eso en el video.
No, yo lo corto del video.
Pero eso es interesante. Eso es lo que debes poner. Digo yo, no sé.
Eso es que como se está instalando algo.
Bueno, pero eso no debe aparecer en el video. No debería.
Bueno,
Para que la gente vea, pues.
bueno, yo instalé algo que es más rápido y tiene el mismo output, entonces yo voy a dejar este, pero este lo voy a cortar porque eso se tarda. Well, so saber paru PC ada gede-gede. Package integrity. Selling breeze. All right, back to business. We're done. So now what you want to do is just enable it also. Sudo system ctl enable stdio. Works so sudo system ctl start stdio. All right, and as you can see, we have it all installed. See, you can see. Okay, of course an ugly login screen, but it works. It works as you can see, but I recommend restarting it, then rebooting it again because I think we need to do that. Oh wait, I just shut it down instead. Well, let's get do the reboot, and we're going to be probably done. So let's just get that real quick. All right, we're back here. So boot existing OS. And we're gonna go to ArchLinux and watch it. Watch the beauty boot. Alright, dev SDA2 clean blah 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 files. I'm scared of that screen, man. My Ubuntu installation. And I go good and I got stuck in that screen forever. So that's kinda scary for me, but Alright, we got that weird cursor. That cursor looks pretty weird. Well, we got this weird looking login screen that only appears on the first time you put it. It only appears when you haven't changed it, but So let's just get into our user. So this is our first login. What? Right, now that it's been booting, it's just going to be loading it up. I'll probably cut this part of the video too to save more time. Alright, we got our cursor. It's all working, so now we just need to set the correct resolution. However, I won't be doing that for now. And yeah, let's see. And it's booting into the shell, though. And yeah, let's just get there quick and done. Taking longer than usual to boot. Who knows? We see the obvious slide. Eh, here's we're gonna wait till it boots, I guess. Is it even trying to boot? Oh wait, fine. Oh, we got something. We got something good. We got something. It's just that it takes quite a while to load since this one's kind of resource intensive. So, well, but look, we have KDE installed. So here's your setup wizard. We're not gonna be doing that for the sake of the video. And here's the thing: you'd want to configure your display settings. To do that, okay, this is pretty slow because I'm recording it, but it usually is more faster. But apply this setting. It should work for you. Let's check. Okay. As you can see, we got our Arch successfully installed. Now, I won't be installing anything on this because I'm going to be using Hyperland as my window manager. I'm going to get someone's dot files, and I'm going to use like some dot files, and then I'm going to use it because it looks so cool, honestly, and I'm really not sure how to compare Hyperland, so I'm not going to be installing anything. But remember, you should download Terminal Emulator if you're not doing any of that, so to do that, you can just go to Virtual Console, then install the Terminal, and you can also install a file manager, which the most used one is Dolphin, and yeah, that's it for the video. It was that simple. I did not install. Remember, again, I did not install anything because the install script for the dot files is meant to be on a clean installation. But anyways, bye guys. I have to gotta get out of here. Bye.